everyone. Today I'm going to make a pillow cover for this pillow, and I have taken a red satin cloth, plain one. I'll just measure it roughly for the length. So this is my length. I'm going to mark it out somewhere here, leaving some portion to overlap. The width which I have taken is approximately 4 times of this, because I am going to make frills. I'll need a straight line, so I'm going to mark it. Now at the width of approximately 8 cm, I'm going to mark the next line. Now I'm going to start my stitch on this line. For frills, I'm going to use fork. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just turn it over and I'm going to stitch it. Now I'll start stitching on my second line. So I'll start with a simple stitch. Then this was where my first frill was made on the first line. I'm going to just reverse it this time and use it like this. Second line would be just the reversal of the first line. My frill part is ready, and this cloth is approximately just double of this pillow size. So now I'm going to stitch the ends of my pillow. My pillow cover is ready now. I have used a very simple technique to create this beautiful pillow cover, and I can use it on my sofa or on my bed, even in my car.